This potion will allow you to get rid of moss in just one day. When you see that green deposit on the driveway, to the garage, or on the patio tiles, start acting. Moss is best combated on a sunny day. It is known to appear in damp and shaded areas. The sun is its enemy, especially after a mild winter. It sprouts even in places where it has never been before. That's why today I'll show you a homemade spray that will tackle it. Prepare a container and mix water with vinegar in a ratio of 1 to 2. For example, pour 200 milliliters of water into the container and add 400 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is known for its effectiveness in combating moss. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid to the mixture. The liquid alone doesn't combat moss as effectively, but it prevents the mixture from running off the tiles or bricks. If you also add this oil, the mixture will be more effective. It's geranium essential oil. It's a natural agent for removing moss and weeds. Pour the mixture into the bottle. Spray the area where moss occurs. As I mentioned earlier, it's best to do this on a sunny day. The sun will speed up the whole process of eliminating moss. The next day, just sweep and the tiles will be clean. You can always have such a liquid on hand and use it regularly to prevent moss from reappearing.